So today I am learning how to make jollof rice, and we started the stew. Sorry I'm late with recording, but we put onions, peppers, hot peppers, pepper like they say. Now we adding tomato paste to the stew. Oil first, then the peppers and onions, jenny they call it, and pepper. So we put sweet peppers and hot peppers, habaneros in the stew. Learning how to make jollof rice for the first time. Now he's adding more tomato paste. Tomato paste mix. You buy these in little packets when you buy in a little, because it's just us here, so. So we did 2 tomato mix. So another tomato mix. So there's 3 tomato mix. A lot of tomatoes. And you let this fry up good in the oil. They use a lot of oil. In this stew. Something like how we make our fish stew. Stew for our fish, on top of our fish in the islands. But we add the fish that you fry, the oil that you fry the fish in. It's gonna have a lot of peppers, hot. So he's mixing, continuing to mix the stew. He took out some of the oil. The oil was a little too much. And then I'm gonna show you the Ghanaian washers that the little washing machines. They don't only wash by hand. See, my clothes is in there washing. We're washing by a washing machine. It's a little different, but it's a washing machine. So, back to the cooking. They don't have a dryer, so this is where it's too hot in Ghana. So this is the clothesline that they hang their clothes on. They call it a clothes dryer. They call it their dryer. But the sun is hot enough to dry the clothes quick, so this is where they hang their clothes to dry. Nobody uses a dryer. Nice backyard. So he's letting the tomato paste cook well before he add water and other ingredients. So the tomato paste has to cook well and I guess separate some more and become one. So now the tomato paste is changing. That's how he wants it to look a little darker, so the rice could get more color. So that's how he wants it to more look like the tomato paste is cooked. So it's cooked well. You have to continue stirring so it doesn't burn. Then he's gonna add a little water and add the other seasoning and stuff. Just gonna add some water. Almost done. Let me get this before. Add a little water to the stew. And let it cook more. Now this is the stew, what it's looking like after it's been boiling with the water. We're gonna add some more seasoning. What are we adding? The garlic ginger. You're gonna add the garlic powder, ginger mix. We already put some garlic, so we're not going to put too much of that spices in. They cook with a lot of spices, so that was garlic powder, ginger. We already put fresh garlic, so we just put a little in here. So this is what he has added. Now he's going to add some local spices mix. We mix a few spices together. And they sell them in little bags. So he's gonna add those next also. You can add all. You might add more later if you taste it, after you taste. So this is the hot pepper that we added earlier. I wanted you guys to get a closer look. Hot. Add in more. You tasted it. Add some of the green one. Salty. So we add in some canned mackerel just to give it some more flavor. Canned mackerel and tomato sauce to the tomato stew. They're kind of big, so he's breaking them in pieces so you could get really in the stew. Let me go get him too. Wash him. else you putting in? Anything else now? Excuse me, can you get Emmanuel? Can you tell him to come for the washer, please? Thank you. He's gonna get the rest of the fish and tomato paste out by adding more water to the can, which I do. We do it in the islands also. Get everything out that can. Don't leave nothing behind. You gonna add more salt after you add everything?
I'll do it. I haven't put salt. You know the spices.
Salt.
Yeah, so I have to come in and say okay, but I'm not in.
You wanna be in the video?
I have to.
So now he's adding some chicken feet. Fried chicken that we had left over that he made. Some chicken that I helped clean and butcher. So we're gonna add it to the jollof so we could have some meat. This is my chef, Chef Shadrach, Chef Kofi. Say hi to the audience.
Oh yeah.
And he's gonna let that cook, simmer for a little bit, right?
Yeah, we can.
So you're gonna let it simmer to add the rice.
No, I'm not going to add the rice now.
Okay, you're just gonna let it cook. Tastes good. It looks good. Oh, you already put the rice? Ah. So the rice is in the pot now. The stew cooked down for a little. So now we are stirring, making sure the rice is cooking. And then we are going to cover it back tightly so it could steam and cook. Looking delicious, like our chicken and rice, but this is jollof with chicken. Our rice is just about finished. It looks so good. It's jollof rice with chicken. The chef is tasting. Looks so good.